Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country or location on Ome TV. Alright, let's begin. Firstly, open the Ome TV app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Then, you'll notice an option labeled country in the center of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. A list of countries will appear on the screen. Scroll through the list to find the country you want to connect to. Once you've located your desired country, tap on it to select it. After selecting the country, swipe the screen to the left to start browsing. Then swipe left again to move to the next icon. Now you'll be able to see and select the person you want to talk to. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily change your country or location on Ome TV and start connecting with people from different regions. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.